Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, heated mirrors, heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.